Hi, I'm Chuck Bender, and welcome to CNC Basics. So here's the thing. I've played around with a couple of different CNC machines at shows and at a couple of shops and things like that. I've played around with some of the Next Wave automation stuff here and there, Axiom Precision, ShopBot, and now I get to play with Hammer's new HNC, which is a really great little compact CNC router. But the reality is, I don't have extensive experience at this. And that's part of what this class is about, is to show you that, hey, you don't need a whole lot of experience as a woodworker or as a computer and CNC operator in order to get this stuff figured out and start making some really cool little projects in your own shop.